Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Eva. How are you today?
Hi, Dylan. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about our studies and school life today. I would love to talk about my experiences and hear about yours.
That sounds great. I think school life is very interesting. There are many different courses and extracurricular activities to enjoy.
Yes, exactly. For example, in my first semester, I took several courses that were very different from each other. Some classes were very theoretical, while others were more practical.
I understand. In my first semester, I had one class that was full of lectures and another that had many hands-on projects. It was a big change from high school.
That's true. I remember my lecture classes were long and sometimes a bit boring, but the practical classes, like the computer lab sessions, were fun because we could work on real projects.
I feel the same. My science class had many experiments, and I loved working with my classmates in the lab. It was exciting to see science in action.
Speaking of working with classmates, I joined a study group for my math course. We meet in the library twice a week. It helps a lot to discuss problems with others.
That is a good idea. I joined a study group for my literature class. We share ideas about the books we read and help each other with essays.
Study groups are very helpful. When I discuss topics with others, I understand them better and remember more.
Yes, and it also makes studying less lonely. We can ask questions and explain ideas in our own words.
Exactly. Besides our classes, what extracurricular activities do you enjoy, Eva?
I love joining clubs and sports teams. I am a member of the drama club and the volleyball team. In the drama club, we practice acting and sometimes perform plays on campus.
That sounds fun. I play for the university's soccer team. I also joined the music club because I like to sing.
Wow, that's interesting. I enjoy watching soccer games, but I have never played on a team. The music club must be exciting. Do you perform in it?
Yes, sometimes we sing at small events on campus. It is a great way to relax and meet new people who love music.
I agree. Being part of a club makes school life more enjoyable. It gives you a break from studying and a chance to explore your interests.
True. I also joined the art club. I like drawing and painting in my free time. In the art club, we work on creative projects and sometimes organize small exhibitions.
That is amazing. I wish I could join an art club because I love art too. I usually draw in my free time, but I haven't had a chance to meet other art lovers.
You should definitely try it. Meeting people with the same interests is very inspiring.
I will look into it. By the way, how do you manage your time between classes, study groups, and clubs?
It can be challenging sometimes. I use a planner to write down my class schedule, study time, and club meetings. I try to plan my day so that I have enough time for both work and fun.
That is a good idea. I also use my phone's calendar to set reminders for assignments and meetings. It helps me stay organized and not forget any important dates.
Yes, planning is very important. When I have many tasks, I feel less stressed if I know exactly what I need to do.
I feel the same way. I always try to set small goals for each day. Even finishing one chapter of a book or one project makes me feel happy.
It is the small steps that add up. Sometimes I reward myself with a short break or a snack after a long study session.
That is a great idea. I also take short walks or listen to music to relax. It helps me clear my mind before I continue studying.
Speaking of music, do you ever listen to music while studying?
Yes, I do, but only soft music or instrumental tracks. They help me focus without distracting me from my work.
I agree. I like to listen to light music too. It creates a calm atmosphere in the library or my room.
Do you find it hard sometimes to balance studies and extracurricular activities?
Sometimes it is difficult, especially during exam weeks. I try to reduce club meetings and focus more on my studies then. I also ask my teammates and club members for support.
I understand. During exam weeks, I cut back on club activities as well and spend more time in the library. I also join extra study groups to prepare for tests.
That is a smart strategy. I think it is important to be flexible and adjust your schedule when needed.
Yes, and I try to stay positive. I remind myself that every challenge is a chance to learn and grow.
I feel that too. Even if a course is hard, I know it will help me in the future.
Absolutely. I believe that learning is a journey, and every course teaches us something new.
Do you have a favorite class this semester, Eva?
Yes, I really like my creative writing class. The teacher is very kind, and we write short stories every week. I enjoy writing and sharing my stories with my classmates.
That sounds wonderful. I like my computer science class. We do practical projects that let us build small programs. It is challenging but fun.
It is interesting how each course is different. Some classes are creative and some are technical, but they all help us learn new skills.
Yes, I believe that the variety in courses makes school life exciting. I learn a lot from each subject, even if they are very different.
I agree. And the extracurricular activities add more flavor to our school life. They give us a chance to try new things and meet new people.
Exactly. I think my experiences in study groups and clubs have helped me become more confident and social.
Me too. I have made many friends through clubs, and I feel that my social skills have improved a lot.
It is great to see how learning and social life go hand in hand. Do you have any plans for next semester?
Yes, I plan to take more creative classes, like art and literature, and I want to join the debate club. I think debating will help me improve my speaking skills.
That is a good plan. I want to take more technical classes and maybe join a coding competition. I believe that competing will help me improve my programming skills.
Competitions can be very fun and challenging. They push you to work hard and learn more.
I agree. I hope that next semester will be even more exciting. I want to learn a lot and also enjoy my time at school.
I feel the same way. School is not just about studying. It is about growing as a person and making great memories.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Eva. I enjoyed talking about our study experiences and extracurricular activities. It makes me feel more positive about the future.
Thank you, Dylan. I enjoyed our chat too. Sharing our experiences helps me learn new ideas and feel supported.
Let's keep in touch and meet again soon to share our progress and any new experiences we have.
I would love that. Have a great day, Dylan, and good luck with your studies and projects.
Thank you, Eva. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Dylan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.